Ever felt like your mind was out of control, just racing with thoughts you can't seem to stop? The Bible has a powerful image for this. Proverbs 25:28 says, "A person without self-control is like a city whose walls are broken down." Think about that for a second. When a city's walls are broken, it's vulnerable. Anything can get in, enemies, chaos, you name it. It's the same with our minds. When we lack self-control, negative thoughts like fear, doubt, and anger can just walk right in and take over. But here's the good news. We can rebuild those walls. By disciplining our minds and choosing what we focus on, we build spiritual strength from the inside out. When you start guarding your thoughts with God's truth, your actions will naturally follow with power and peace. So today, protect your peace. Start building your walls with prayer and time in His Word. Like and share this video if you're rebuilding your strength with God. And don't forget to follow The Beatsbreaker for more biblical motivation and purpose. Thanks for watching.